In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Skool community group. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Skool account and that you have the right permissions to manage members. Only community owners or existing admins can add new admins. So if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to check your own role first. Once you are logged in, head over to your Skool dashboard. This is the main area where you see your community, posts, members, and settings. If you manage multiple communities, make sure you've selected the correct one from the list, because any changes you make will apply to that specific group. From your community dashboard, look along the top menu and click on the tab labeled Members. This is where you can see everyone who's currently in your group, along with their roles and status. You'll use this area both to invite the new admin and, later, to upgrade their role. Next, inside the Members section, look for the Invite button. It's usually located near the top right of the members list. Go ahead and click on Invite. This opens a small window or panel where you can send an invitation to someone who's not yet in your community or re-invite someone if needed. In the Invite window, you'll see a field where you can type an email address. Enter the email address of the person you want to add as an admin. Take a second to double check the spelling here. If the email is wrong, they won't receive the invitation, and you'll have to repeat this step. Once you've confirmed the email is correct, click on the Send button. Skool will send an invite to that address with a link for them to join your community. At this point, you just need to wait for them to accept the invitation. You might want to let them know to check their inbox and spam folder in case the email doesn't show up right away. After they've accepted and joined your community, go back to the Members tab. Use the search box or scroll through the list to find their name. When you see them, look for the small gear icon, sometimes called Membership Settings, next to their name. Click on that gear icon and you'll see options related to their membership. Find the option for their role and change it from a regular member to admin. Confirm the change and that's it. They now have admin permissions in your Skool community group.